Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp which is stuck on loading screen. Now, for this case, we shall use two fixes. The first one, first come over here to your settings. Once you come to settings, locate the app management. After that, go ahead and locate the app list. Then in the app list, we shall go ahead and clear the cache and the storage. So for my case, my app list is still loading up. You need to be patient until it's done loading up. So it's done. Come to search bar. Then on the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Tap on it. Click on storage and cache. Then go ahead and clear storage and clear the cache. Now, if that fix doesn't work, come to Google Play Store. On Google Play Store, this is method number 2. Go ahead and update your WhatsApp. For this case, just come over here and then search for WhatsApp. In most cases, you can see mine was outdated. Go ahead and hit on the update. Once you update, it may clear out all those glitches that make it get stuck on the loading screen. So thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet